Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, and then select Pair in the pop-up. Following that, just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by selecting this gear right next to the device and clicking on Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!